Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever and a day since I posted, but now that I have free time, we're gonna have lots of more YouTube videos coming up. So today we're gonna get straight into the video. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a Memorial Day inspired look for beginners, and we're just going to start on our foundation and concealer first since it requires a lot of artwork, on our faces. So we need to get that foundation first and then work on that. And today I'm going to be doing the reverse makeup routine. I'm going to start with concealing my face first instead of the foundation. So I'm going to use the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to put it under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin, and just blend that out really, really good. And it's really important that I take my time when doing this, so you're going to see me like blend a lot, because if you just do this, you will look like a ghost if you don't really take your time and blend this out. So this is why I'm taking so long on doing that. Next, I'm going to take my Nars foundation and I'm going to lightly dab it around my face. And I'm going to do this in like layers so that I don't cake up a lot of it on the first go. So I'm going to do a little by little around my whole face. And here I'm just gonna prime my eyes with the same concealer I used to do on my face and just blend it in really good as well. To warm my face, I'm going to be using the Black Radiance Beauty Cream Contour Palette, and I'm just going to use the darkest color to contour my cheeks, my forehead, and the bridge of my nose. Use the Sculpt, which is the second lightest color, to highlight my cheeks and go under the contour to make it stand out. And now I'm going to set my under eyes with the Juvias Place setting powder, and all I did was take a little bit on the fluffy brush, blow it off some so that it just has a little bit, and I just pat it under my eyes, and I make sure I blow off the excess so I don't get flashback. And now to start the work that we're going to do on our face, I'm going to use the Louise base in the shade Rumour 0 and use this Morphe M421 brush. And I'm going to just freehand these circles that we're going to do. And I wanted to show you this because usually like people will do outlining it first and then fill it in later, but I wanted to show you guys how you could free form this with your hand and go with the flow really, because it's a beginner's look and nothing is going to look perfect and it's going to look more personalized. So these are just how I free form these circles. Now using my favorite palette, the MacBook by the Crayon case, we're going to use the blue and white to do our quote-unquote stars of the flag on the left side of our face. And I know it looks backwards when you're looking at it through the screen this way, and it totally went over my head when thinking about this, but it's okay. But we're going to use the blue and we're going to go ahead and just really fill in what you think you might want. There's no correct way you should do this. So I just use a mini fluffy brush to do the bigger circles, and the smaller brush that I'm currently using, which I think is a smudge brush by Morphe, but I would definitely have what it's actually called in the description. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the red and white. Honestly, I just freehanded this and went like it was stripes. But now we're gonna go to the winged liner that I wanted to show you guys. All I did was take the same P. Louise base and I used the M421 brush and slid it across my lid, and I just wanted to do this as freely as possible to show you guys that it wasn't perfect. And then I went in with a smudge brush and just went on with the white in the inner corner with the blue towards the middle, and I tried to blend it out as well as I could. And now we're going to end it with our red for the wing tip, and we're good. Now I'm just going to line my eyes with the black eyeliner, and I'm going to use my Sweet Escape lashes in the style Cookie Dough, and I'm absolutely in love with this. And of course use our Duo Lash Glue. And if you guys want to get some cute affordable lashes and anything lip wise, you can go to sweetescapecosmetics.com and use my code JAZZ for some money off. And now to finish off the eye look, we're going to use the same colors and do the same pattern on our under eye. And we're going to go in with the Watch Me Blush palette that's also by the Crayon case, and just use the red here and just use a little bit on our cheeks to brighten up our face. And for the highlight here, I'm just going to use a little bit of setting spray on the fan brush to make sure that the highlight stays and it actually makes it pop a little bit more. And last but not least, for our lips, I already did a exfoliating lip scrub from Sweet Escape Cosmetics, and I'm just going to use the Pineapple Coconut Clear Gloss and the Watermelon Lip Oil. And in combination with that, I am lining my lips with the Chestnut Lip Liner from MAC Cosmetics. And here we are. This is the final look. I hope you guys followed along really well and really smoothly. If you have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments. Have a great Memorial Day and please stay safe, you guys. Bye.